Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a completely new conversation in the Claude AI application on mobile. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch the Claude AI app, for example, on your Android. And what you want to do next, guys, is tap into this button here at the bottom, new chat, here on your home screen. And from there, simply tap into this text field here at the bottom, chat with Claude, and enter your question, like for example, what is the weather forecast for, I don't know, southern UK in mid-October 2025 or something like that. Press this button here to send your message, and that's it. Wait for the reply by Claude AI, and that is going to work, as you can see. So that's how you send messages and start conversations on Claude AI. Now you can, for example, post your follow-up question or react to the given reply by leaving a thumbs up, or copy the given reply, or give Claude AI the command to retry and to send you a new reply to that question. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.